Hello everyone, and welcome back to another chapter of the Dallas Road Waterfront Walk here on Walks to Unwind. I'm Ryan. If you're new here, does that sound right? No, I guess I should say if you're new here, my name is Ryan. Still getting used to this. As I have mentioned in other videos, that I know there's a lot of videos out there, people doing walks, relaxing walks, that sort of thing. What I'm trying to do with mine is make it a little, not as polished, not as you're not going to be getting drone shots or any fancy camera work because that's just not my experience. I wanted to make it feel like you're quite literally, you feel like you're just out on a walk with somebody you kind of know. And the idea being that you're enjoying nature, enjoying the sounds of the waves, that sort of thing. And just forgetting about the stress of the day. Or perhaps you're a tourist. You want to be a tourist in Victoria, you're from another country, you're thinking of visiting Victoria. Hope to show you, some of the beautiful coastline here. But all in all, I think we have a sea otter. I think I've spotted a sea otter. Let's see if I can zoom in enough. I have my wide angle lens on. I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to turn around and see if he just went under the water. Oh, well, yeah, sea otter gone. Anyway, let's continue with our walk towards Ogden Point. Okay, this is approximately where we left off last time. And this is going to be a little bit tricky to get down there and get around, but we'll see. Hopefully I won't fall. I spoke for a little too long there, so I'm going to try to keep the talk down now so I can enjoy the scenery and the sounds. I'm going to try to get over there to show you some really interesting rocks. Now there are some people up ahead on the beach with some kids, and I want to respect their privacy, so be careful here. See if I can zoom in. I don't know if you can see it. The camera seems very dark today, but it's interesting how you have all these rough rocks and pebbles and everything, and right smack dab in the middle there of the screen is a nice smooth rock. Okay, I'm going to try. I have to get down and scoot here, so we have to do some editing here. if I can get by the water before it comes in. Out onto this point here. I'm talking too much, sorry. I have glasses that get dark when the sun hits them, so it's making the picture on the camera look darker than I think it really is. Okay, I'm going to cut at 6:20. We're going to walk over to the beach past some people. Okay, let's carry on from here. Now we're getting really close to the end. Probably finish with the next video. Well, should I say, finish before we go out onto Ogden Point. There's a point here where you can't walk anymore along the Dallas Road Waterfront because the water comes right up to the seawall. So we'll pick up from where we left off here, finish the main part of the walk, and then finish our entire walk. So until next time, take care everyone, keep relaxing, keep breathing, let that stress just melt away. And don't forget, there's a playlist this video goes on to, so you can watch the entire walk from one end to the other once I'm finished. Till next time, take care.